Foster, you good?
He's like, oh!
Max.
Yo, you want some kitty cat treats?
Bruh.
Would be awesome if there's a priest here, 'cause look. This kind of wrestling match is like a daily routine.
Peanut, you used to be our good kid. Why are you our problem cat now? You should get down. Thank you.
Right now. Maggie! You're not supposed to be in the catnip like that! Maggie!
Each cat had a teaser.
Why are you smiling like that?
I just like to smile. Smiling's my favorite.
Mookie, say please. Okay, thank you.
The boss and her two sidekicks, quick and clean, like they've done this 100 times. If life with an orange
My belly is rumbling. I hunger, Mother. I hunger.
Have you considered finding somewhere more private? As long as it's fun, kittens will figure out what it is later. Turns out, this is the meaning of your biggest opponent is yourself.
What? Give me a kiss. Is she like to just say no right now? Give me a kiss.
Having a cat as the drama queen in the house can bring you lots of laughs. Cats and easygoing don't go together, and that's exactly why teasing them is fun. Hey, what are you looking at? Can't you see we're kind of busy being awesome?
Oh my God. Hit my grandma with a pack of cabbage. Hit my little niece with a tricycle.
Foster, you good?
Remember, there's no absolute peace in a house with lots of cats.
Somebody get your nephew. This nigga is on one today. You're cleaning it all up, Jermaine.
Okay, but how on earth did he even get stuck like that? Girl doesn't even try hiding how happy she is. Have some self-respect. Everything could become a toy when you're a cat.
Good girl.
Okay, that's an interesting toy, but that much? Definitely a fail attempt, but point for the spirit.
Kim Kardashian had this absolute.
Want to get it again? Go ahead.
Cubby, we talked about this.
Bud. There's my bra. Come here. Come here. Give me it.
There's ducks fell asleep in the water.
Huh?
Call now to speak directly to an attorney.
That matters. Law and law. We know what matters most.
honestly have no idea why he does this. My working theory is that he's stupid.
Cats may not run the house, but they definitely run the comedy. This would be me if the office is also my home. That's a lot of strategy just to catch a tail.
Huh?
Are you still watching TV?
You didn't give her the medication yet? No, I gotta get some pharmacy. I'm sorry. I know, it's sad. I'm so much funnier than I gotta go.
Average flirting attempt of a bad boy at a rave. Bro looks like someone who's always ready for a fight.
And you played that tape to death. And you played that tape to destroy. And then Pop got the phone call that Brady was having an album.
Huh?
To spot beauty in spinning clothes. Yeah, some cat stuffs.
Hey, good boy, good boy, good boy.
But I do not fit their requirements. So those are from the